Hi guys, welcome to the demo of Infinitive Hosting. So in this demo, I'll be showing you the general layout of how of Infinitive Hosting, as well as how to set up your websites and everything. So let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm on my main disk. So first, you have to log in. So after logging in, you will see your dashboard. As you can see, this is the basic general setup of Infinite Hosting. It will show you all the recent logins as well as the virtual server names and everything. So this is a very easy to use dashboard. It provides you with all the relevant infos and everything, as well as shows you the features as well. You can create virtual servers as well as edit the virtual servers which you have created, create users, edit them, as well as backup and restore. So how to set up your website? It's very simple and very straightforward. First, you go to create virtual server, and then you put the domain name. So I'm putting this as my domain name. So this is my domain name, and then I just need to just create server, and afterwards just wait for it. And as you can see, a live deployment is done, and as I'm waiting, my website is being set up as we speak. So my website has been done. So now I need to access it. So accessing it, you just simply have to go to install scripts, and then click on WordPress, and then install at the top level. Choose at the top level when you're installing the subdirectory. Please remember to choose it at the top level. Do not put it at WordPress, at the top level, and then just click install now, and you can see the live deployment again, in which the server which you have created, the virtual server you have created, will be creating for you a website in WordPress right now. And once this has been set up, it will give you access to it. So as you can see here, it has given me access to my link. So it's seen demo.infinitehost.site. So once I click on it, I am in my WordPress site, and I can just press continue. I am in my WordPress setting. I can just set up my title. I can name it as I want, username and everything. And if you do not have a professional email, it is very easy to do. You just have to go to edit users and then add a user to the server. And that's basically how it is. So I'm just going to name this for the time pass demo at I'll just name it as I'll just name it as trial at demo info. So I can create easily my own professional emails using my server, using my name of the server. So this is very easy. And another amazing feature of Infinite Hosting is that it also comes with an automatic backup and restore. So you just, as you can see on my left hand screen, if I just go and click on backup and restore, it will back up and restore for me. So that is basically how it's done. It's very simple to use, and I hope you guys understood this demo. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.